So suppose you have here the first name and then the company and the title function. You want to, of course, create some space. What is the worst way to do it that you see all the time? People would be hitting enter space 150 times. Everybody has been guilty of this. I also do this for my grocery list, but there's a better way to do it. So how does it work? You select the lines where you want to make these changes. You make sure that you go into the view menu and say that the ruler needs to be visible. That's this funny thing that you probably always wondered, like, what is it useful for? Let me show this. There is a possibility to click on it in the middle, and then a little tab is being created. So let's, for example, put it on 8 inches here. Boom, sorry. Or voilà, let's put it here. Nothing seems to happen other than the fact that there's this little corner being added to the ruler. But now if you hit tab on your keyboard, the one above the caps lock, boom, immediately you will see that it automatically goes to that, exactly to that position without you having to enter 150 spaces. And it will always stay exactly on position 7 inches, even if you would be changing the font, for example. Let's make this higher. See, it doesn't change. Well, with spacing, if it's 150 spaces, it would slightly shift. And it's always difficult to just nail it right. But with this here, it will always be correct, even if you would change the size of the font. And not only that's just the start of the fun, because what can you do here? You select these paragraphs again. If you double click on this little thing here, then you can actually say, let's give it some dots here. You click on set and on OK. Look. And I'm sure that 99% of the audience here didn't know about it and probably inserted 50 little dots after each other, because that's how everybody does it, except if you know where to find it on that strange ruler thing. And that's not the only thing you can do. You can even have a right align tab. So you can say here for the title function, for example, you want to have it here, something around 15. Let's insert a tab on my keyboard. And then say, look, it doesn't need to be left aligned. That's the standard. But let's make it right aligned. And maybe even put some dots or some underscores in the middle and then press OK. And look, no matter how much text that you would add, it would crawl back from the right to the left. So this is the way that you create forms like this. Don't use spaces, don't use underscores, don't use little dots after each other. Just use this ruler here, click in the ruler, and then double click on the tab to make sure that it is configured in the way you want. Try it. It's not that difficult. I know I go fast here, but it's not so difficult to make happen.